Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this makeup look using Bad Habit After Dark palette. This looks like this. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. So I'm gonna first take a fluffy brush and go with the shade that's called Skin to Skin and put it above my crease. It's going to be my transition shade. So this is a light brown color. So as far as I know, this is a dupe for Huda Beauty's like Obsession palettes. So now I'm going to take this shade called Crush on Me and put it on top of my crease. This will be my crease shade. I'm dragging this shade along the outer V or the outer eye, same on the other side. So let's do a little rewind what I did so far. So first I used the shade called Skin to Skin as my transition shade. Then after that I used this shade called Crush to Me as my crease shade. And I used a fluffy brush to use it. And you can use any fluffy brush. So it doesn't have to be the specific brand. Like I'm using the Wet n Wild one. These are really like reasonable. I think these are like, I got it for like 99 cents. And these brushes work really nice. And dragging a little in my tear duct area. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I already did my eyebrows and I used an eye primer, the Milani one, to set the base for my eyeshadow so that it lasts long and it gives a pop to my eye color. You can either use an eye primer or your concealer, anything will do. So now I'm going to take a pencil brush and then I'm going to take this shade called Sleep Dress and put it on my outer V. Okay guys, I'm changing my mind. I'm going to take a, what do you call that, a shader brush, a flash shader brush, and take the same shade, Sleep Dress, and put it on all over my eyelid. Okay, now what I'm going to do for my outer V, I'm going to take the shade Merlot, this one right here. I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush and take the same shade, Merlot, and put it a little bit on my crease to give a dimension to my eyelid. So now I'm going to take this shade called Arousal, that's like a dark brown, and then put it a little bit on my outer V. Just wanted to let you know guys, I'm not the best with the color naming the color, so sorry about that, but you know what I mean. Like some of the shades, like if I can, I'll tell you if it's a peach or a coral, like a burnt orange, but some of the shades I really have a hard time describing it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this shade called 24 Karat. It's a very beautiful, like a shimmer gold color, and I'm gonna put it in my lid, creating like, I'm gonna try to do like a halo eye. So for that, what I'm gonna do is get a flat brush like this, wet the brush, use any setting spray, and put it, or like press it in the middle part of the eyelid. And if you hear the snoring again, you know what it is. It's my dog. He's sleeping. Like when I'm recording, he loves to sit next to me for some reason, and then next thing you know, he falls asleep. One day we will show him to you guys. He's a very shy one, like in front of the camera. He doesn't like when we put the camera to his face. He doesn't like it at all. So hopefully one day. So I dragged that shimmer gold shade a little further before the outer V, same on the both side. Then what I did, I took the dark brown shade, right, and blended it in with that gold shade. After that, what I did was I took this shade called Rosy Glow, which is a bit lighter than Crush on Me, and I used a fluffy brush. Hey guys, so off camera, what I did just to make the video not too long, I did my eyeliner, my false lashes. I'm wearing Ardell double wispies in 201, and another thing that I did, I used this NYX glitter. I used the white one. You can use any glitter of your choice. So I put it in the yellow part, in the golden, the shimmer shade. So this is my finished eye look. So let's continue with the tutorial. I will be using today Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. I'm in shade Buff Beige. I hope this matches me because I bought this like a month or two ago. So I'm gonna take a EcoTools sponge, which has already been wet. So just press it in the foundation and then put it on all over my face. Okay guys, so I can see that this color is a bit light on me. So what I will do later on is I'm gonna contour like a really dark contour, or I'm gonna like really have a like bronze my face really well so that the color all matches to my face, because I can see on my viewfinder like I'm looking a little light. So yes guys, so I already did my foundation and I used my concealer. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer as I'm in shade medium peach. So as you can see about the foundation, it's not a full coverage foundation, it's just like a medium coverage. You can see my pimples, like all my spots on the face. So I know I'm looking a bit little white, so I have to use like a really good bronzer, or like use like a dark bronzer to even out my skin tone. So after that, so I'm going to take my Coty Airspun loose setting powder and put it under my So let it set it for a bit. So in the meantime, I'm going to take a small brush like this. This one is Morphe M432, and get the shade called Arousal, and you use this under my lash line. And I'll take a smudge brush and then just blend it out. My contouring, I will be taking my Anastasia's Contour Kit in medium to tan, and I will be using this brush that I got from TJ Maxx. The best part about this brush, guys, are you guys ready? Look at this. It's like a 4-in-1. It has like an angled brush like this at one end, and then on the other side it's like a pencil angled brush. Like it's like little pointy pencil brush. I know, it was kind of exciting when I saw this. I'm like, oh, and it was just for $5. I got this. Anyways, back to my tutorial. So I will be taking this shade on this one right here to contour my face. So I'm going to use this brush. So I'm going to take the other side of the brush and take the light shade and bronze my face. So I'm going to take the same Coty Airspun and just put it on my jawline. So I'm thinking of doing like a coral shade. So as I was going through my collection, so I found this Nars Matte Velvet lipstick. It's in shade Pop. Wait a minute, let me show you guys the swatch. So I don't know if it's gonna go look nice with this color. I'm gonna see. So yeah, as I was saying, when I was going through my collection, I found this one, and then I found another shade. It's from Milani. It's a cream stain. I don't know if it will show on camera or not. I see a little similarities between this two shade. So because I think it's a dupe. So the matte, the Nars one is a matte, and the Milani one is a cream lipstick. So I'm going to use the Nars one right now. So on the bottom, I'm going to do the Milani one. Oh, the Milani one shade is in 53. Name is Empress, and the Nars one is called Pop Life. So what I'm going to do is right now take my Laura Mercier lip liner in shade Warm Poppy, and just outline again. So what do you guys think? Doesn't the color look similar? Both the shades? So yeah, and this is my finished makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in another tutorial. Bye!